I hope you're up for today's challenge. I think I have everything here that I'm going to need. We're going to be doing haircuts. We're going to be cleaning. Yeah.
And doing our final inspection list.
Yeah, so we actually failed our inspection, but by like really minuscule things.
Well, so this is a pro tip, I guess I've been told. They're like, always leave something slightly undone that's little.
Oh
Here's
gosh.
the thing, because if not, most inspectors
They
will not
want
leave your
something.
house without something having to be changed. They won't give you a perfect 100 because they feel like they're not doing their job if they're not, right? So you
Okay.
need something small, which we had one or two that I knew would possibly be items, and so those are what we're fixing.
Yep, that's what Joel's gonna work on. I'm gonna work on cleaning. Kids are gonna help me clean.
Now we can watch a movie.
And we're gonna bring the iPad so they can watch a movie as well.
Which has no.
And a game, you know what? Go down and get Uno. Here's our leftovers. We've been working for several hours. The kids were running around screaming. They were having fun, no doubt. Joel and I weren't. It was chaotic because it's Saturday morning and we're exhausted. We've worked here every day, all day, the whole entire week. And so we just weren't super thrilled about today's work. And it's like the button-up work. You know, that's what's kind of not very fun. You can see our steam is running low. We just got done eating. Can't have those downstairs. Lady's like, oh yeah. So we'll just get back to work. We just had our lunch. It wasn't a healthy lunch. I'm tired, Joel.
Me too. He is ginormous. He looks like a horse.
Whoa, don't jump, let me see you. Let me see your horns. Do you guys see his horns? Oh, come on. See his ear moving? Oh, I wish you guys could see him better.
2/3.
Hey, no.
You finding it?
Can't do that now.
Going fractions.
Nice. Are you learning fractions in school?
Yep.
Nice.
Wait, what do I do?
We're gonna try out our mini waffle maker.
And I'm making the waffles.
Cody's making the waffles. Whatever they're cooking over there smells delicious.
One waffle.
It smells
more to
like
go.
a cake.
It does.
It smells like cake.
Cody.
Buttermilk and honey.
Nah. Ooh, okay, we're also making eggs to go with it. We've got peppers, mushrooms, spinach, eggs, garlic.
Looks like a good pen.
Did you put any green chilies in this?
Sure did.
And green chilies. We're gonna top it with cheese. Yes. Olivia, what did you just say?
So when I start, because I saw the waffle iron, I said when I start getting closer to college, I want to start like saving up like all like the little like plates and like little waffle maker irons.
Yes. Okay, and I don't know if this is a weird thing or not, but when I was in high school, Santa Claus started bringing me things like pots and pans and waffle irons. Good job, Code. Kind of stuff like that. And I know that I wasn't like I was playing with them on Christmas morning, but I started saving them. And then when I got married, I had a whole bunch of really nice things.
Oh yeah.
When we got married, and that was fun.
Santa Claus furnished a lot of first things.
Yeah, does that sound like fun to you or does that sound lame to you?
Oh, that sounds like cute and fun.
That makes me giddy.
I want my own. I like making waffles.
And like this is like the perfect like little like just like size.
It
Yeah.
looks teeny on the outside, but on the inside it looks a little bigger, and
It makes pretty good size like waffles like
that big.
Cody, I love that you're excited about it. I love that you're
this
excited
makes-
about it.
that one makes a lot.
Dad,
Did this get put away with this inside of it?
That's so hard.
I want to see if it actually tastes.
Okay, no, please. Oh gosh, he can't even bite. Don't eat it. Spit it out. Spit it out. Don't eat it. Throw it away.
Bad.
Is it chocolate or is it burnt?
Chocolate.
Is it burnt chocolate?
Oh, this is actually
That's how they tasted when we got them first and we started making them. Yeah, pretty great.
I was thinking when I was playing in the snow that my mom would kill me if she didn't, if I didn't tell her. So I ran all the way over there and told Mom that there was sunrise rising just on the mountain.
How did you know I would love seeing the sun right on the top of that mountain?
I don't know, because you like the sunset.
I love the sunsets, Boston. Thank you for coming and getting me. Oh, Boston. You knew I would love that. Thank you so much for coming and getting me. I love you.
Love you.
Tomorrow is Martin Luther King Day, and so we are drying out the kids' snow clothes since they played in the snow today. Joel's going to take the kids skiing, and so that sounds really fun. Where you at, Jolie? Doing a little trim.
Trimming some nose hairs.
Just get a little
some
nosy
beards.
hair. Yeah.
Pro tip,
Okay.
cuticle cutters work really, really good because they like let you get curved into there.
Did you get the movie picked?
Yeah.
What did you choose?
Play with fire.
Oh boy, howdy. All right. This is Lincoln's choice. It's his turn to pick the movie.
Man, I want to watch Paddington.
I wish that it was not school tomorrow so you guys could go to bed. Let's check. Oh, okay. Guys, I was really serious when I said I don't want you guys messing around.
I tried to brush my teeth,
Do you see how the entire bathroom is covered in toothpaste and water and
That was somebody else.
there is an entire roll of toilet paper soaked in water.
That wasn't us actually.
Boston and Lincoln dropped it in the toilet on accident.
I wish that it was not school tomorrow so you guys could go to bed. Whose belt is this? Whose belt? We're not watching a movie. Cody, 5 things. Pick up 5 things in your room. Nope, I don't want to hear anyone complain. Just go pick up 5 things each. That is much better. The family room looks much better. Everyone has a blanket. The movie, yes, the movie is chosen. Lincoln pushed play. Good night, everybody. Have a good weekend.